Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to reinstall gaming service on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So I will show you guys two methods by which you can reinstall your gaming service. For that you just need to right click on your start menu and click on settings. After open settings window, click on apps from your left side over here. On your right side you have to click on installed apps. After that, you just need to search on this search app box. You type gaming or service. So here it is, as you can see, gaming service. So click on three dot button and go to advanced option, or else you can click on this uninstall directly from here. So I will click on advanced option, and here you will get repair and uninstall option. Also, you can use PowerShell to uninstall or reinstall your gaming service. For that, you just need to go to your start or search window and type PowerShell, and after that right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. And after that you just need to copy this command from my video description and right click on your PowerShell and press enter, and it will remove. And if you want to reinstall, then you just need to copy the second command, and after that it will automatically open the gaming service Microsoft Store apps, and after that it will download and it will reinstall your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.